up, guys? It's John from MetroPCS. Over here with LG K9S. So we're gonna go ahead and take an in-depth look. I actually have a representative from LG to talk with us today. So go ahead and leave a like on the video, enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the MetroPCS family. And comment down below what you guys want to know about this LG product and everything in the future. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Guys, so we have the LG spokesperson right here, so she's going to go ahead and go run through some specs and some some things about this phone tonight.
Awesome. What's going on, MTR Ninjas? My name is Lisa and I am with LG. I'm going to run you through the newest addition to the mid-tier lineup. It's the LG K9S. You guys can see it right here. Really, really nice phone. Has a great camera. It has a 5-inch HD IPS display, and it also comes with a 13 megapixel or an 8 megapixel camera in the back. All right here. All right, and it does have flash, of course. Front-facing camera has a 5 megapixel, and it does include what's called portrait mode. So portrait mode gives you the ability to have those lovely, professional-looking pictures to then later share, on social media. Blurs out the background for you and gives you that professional touch. It also comes with a 2500 milliamp battery as well, and I do have good news. It is removable, so it does have a removable battery in here, and it also does have it has a really, really nice sound that you can listen to music in. It does have that 3.5 jack right here for you to be able to put in your headphones as well. Now, I do want to give a quick shout out to the really, really nice feature in here that's called Flash Jump Cut. It's a really fun way for you to be able to, hey guys, it's a really fun way for you to be able to have some fun with your pictures and create a GIF to then share on social media. And I'll show you how to use that feature. So we'll flip it here to the front-facing camera. You go to mode, you select Flash Jump Cut, and then it gives you the ability to create some shots. And I'm going to go ahead and just see if I can give you a few examples here. We'll have one.
If you're not planning to do another load right now,
there we go.
Would you like to run a top
do it to the front
cycle?
Why don't we show them with us? Here we go.
All right, let's do it.
Mode, flash jump cut. All right, so here's picture number one.
Starting a top cleaning cycle now.
There it goes. Yep. All right, so this remembers your cleaning schedule. Yeah, but it's not just remembering my cleaning schedule, right? It's not just, it's been 30 loads, so it's time.
All right, so we got our 4 shots with a 3-second break in between each one, and you guys saw the countdown. It alerts us between each picture. Go into the gallery, and there it is. All right, so really, really cool. Obviously dope for that social media, a lot of fun. And you can also do it in the rear camera as well. How it works when you do it with the rear camera is that the flash actually gives you that 3-second interval between each shot, all right? So again, this is the LG K9S, newest addition to the LG mid-tier lineup. Check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it.
All right, thank you so much for that. Thank you guys, and go ahead and don't forget to leave that like. I'll see you guys in the next. Peace out.